Want to make fun videos to send your friends? With Apple's Clips video app, you can now make videos with Animoji or your Memoji as a face filter. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make Memoji and Animoji videos with Apple Clips on iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin, download the Clips app for free from the App Store. Once you open it, you'll see a camera window open on your screen. To add your Animoji or Memoji as a filter over your face, tap the rainbow star in the bottom right corner. Then select Animoji. Scroll sideways to see the Animojis you can choose from. If you've created a Memoji already, your Memoji will appear before all the built-in Animoji options. If you don't have a Memoji yet, check out our tutorial linked in the description box to learn how to create your own. Tap an Animoji or Memoji to select it. The character you've selected will appear over your face and mimic your facial expressions and movement. Tap the X to close the Animoji menu. To record your video, hold down the pink button below the camera window. Release it to stop recording. After recording your video, you can add background music by tapping the music note icon in the top right corner. Tap Soundtracks. Then select a track to add it to your video. Tap the arrow in the top left to go back. Then tap Done. Tap the play button at the bottom to preview your video.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
When you're happy with it, tap the share icon in the bottom right corner. You can then directly share it with your friends through iMessage or a social media app of your choice, or tap Save Video to add it to your device's camera roll. That's all it takes to make fun Animoji and Memoji videos with the Apple Clips app.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.